Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML code in Framer. This is incredibly useful when you want to embed custom elements, widgets, or interactive features that aren't available through Framer's built-in components. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and head over to framer.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing into the correct account if you manage multiple projects or workspaces. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard where all your projects are displayed. Take a moment to locate the specific project where you want to add your HTML code. Simply click on that project to open it. This will take you directly into the editor where you can start making changes. Now that you're inside the project editor, look toward the top left corner of your screen. You'll see an option labeled Insert. Click on it to reveal a menu of elements you can add to your page. In the search bar that appears, type Embed. This will filter the options and bring up the embed feature, which is exactly what we need for adding custom HTML. Once you see the embed option appear, click on it. You'll notice that your cursor changes, allowing you to drag and place the embed element anywhere on your canvas. Choose a location that makes sense for your design and drag the embed box to position it where you want your HTML code to appear. With the embed element now placed on your canvas, shift your attention to the right side of the screen. Here you'll find the Embed section in the Properties panel. Look for the field labeled Type, and next to it you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down and select HTML from the available options. This tells Framer that you're embedding HTML code rather than a URL or another type of content. Now comes the part where you actually add your code. If you have your HTML code prepared elsewhere, simply copy it, head back to Framer, and locate the HTML field that has now appeared in the Properties panel. Paste your code directly into this field. Framer will process the code and render it within the embed element on your canvas, giving you a preview of how it will look. Once you've pasted your code and everything looks good, it's time to make your changes live. Look to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the Publish button. Click on it to publish your project with the newly added HTML code. Depending on your project settings, you may need to confirm the publish action or choose which pages to update, and that's it. You've successfully added custom HTML code to your Framer project, expanding your design possibilities beyond the standard components. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.